Because I love you, yeah. Don't you forget it. Whenever you need me, if you want me to put it on you, come on.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
After Barbara and Danielle left the studio, they headed to the airport with the plan of flying home. While boarding, an argument erupted between Barbara Ann, Danielle, and another passenger. The police were called, and all three were escorted off the aircraft. Now, TMZ obtained footage of the incident, and here is what Danielle told us about what happened on board.
My mom was trying to help another customer get into her seat. This lady came pushing my mom, trying to run my mom over with the luggage. She said, "Oh, catch me outside. How about that?" Don't catch me outside! Then come on, what's up? What's up, bitch? What's up? My mom went like this to prevent her from hitting me, and then as soon as my mom pushed me out of the way, then the lady went like this to my mom. I just went after her.
That's her ass.
We also reached out to Spirit Airlines, who gave us the following statement. Police removed 3 passengers from Spirit Flight 310 during the boarding process at LAX Monday night following an altercation. The customers were refunded and refused service. I hope Barbara listens to what I told her. I am sincerely rooting for them, and I wish them the best going forward.
Ah!